Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to remove the content warning on X, formerly known as Twitter, step by step. First, open the X app. Click on your profile icon on the top left and scroll down and go to Settings. Go to Settings and Privacy and go to Privacy and Safety. Click on the third option, which is Content You See. And also click on the third option, which is Sensitive Media. As you can see, here are three options: graphic violence, adult content, and other. Turn all of these into Show All. And that's it. You have successfully removed the content warning on X in Duamila Ventisync. For more quick X tutorials, check our next video on DelphStack tutorials.